Let's imagine that we want to create a site about cooking. It will have a section for dishes, cakes, drinks, and so on. Of course, we want to post new recipes on a regular basis, and maybe even allow our visitors to submit their own recipes. So we need to constantly update our content. One way we can build and edit this is by using built-in WordPress pages. This approach would look something like this. Each section would have the main page, and all recipes would be children of that page. But you can easily imagine that once we have even a few more recipes, it can get increasingly difficult to maintain. Also, our other pages, like Contacts and About Us, are mixed with all the recipes.
Luckily, there's an even better way of organizing your content. Instead, we can create separate post types to group our content under different menus. The best part of this is that we won't use a single line of PHP. Instead, we can use WordPress plugins to do it all from the admin. This way, we can create each of our site's sections in minutes. An added bonus is that managing our website is actually easier than ever, and we can even expand it later on if we wanted to.
So here is our custom post type for recipes. Nice! The only problem is that by default, WordPress only provides us with inputs for a title, body, and featured image. But for recipes, we need separate inputs for things like preparation time, ingredients, and so on.
This is where custom fields come in. We can use custom fields to create the important pieces of information which we'll need to add to every item on our website. And once again, we can do this using a WordPress plugin. We'll also need to group our content to make it even easier for users to find exactly what they're looking for. As we learned in the previous chapter, we need to create custom taxonomies to categorize our content in a completely custom way. And once again, we'll need, well, you guessed it, a WordPress plugin.
In our example, we can create levels of difficulty and organize our recipes accordingly. Then, visitors can easily get a list of recipes by how hard they are to prepare.
By adding our own custom post types, custom fields, and taxonomies, we have basically started building the interface for our website's backend. Bit by bit, we are slowly expanding what we can do using WordPress. So now that we know when and why we use custom post types, well, all that's left is to learn how to actually create them.